Feeding time at the zoo. So beautiful. Your babies, yeah. Your babies. Doing really well. Little chubbers and a good mama. Good afternoon, it's Jilly from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. It's a very wet and miserable day and I am just going to do a very quick one, hopefully. This is a pre-used canvas that I've just put some white over, and I'm going to, where's my, oh okay, yep. I'm just going to, this is just, what I'm using again is the last of my mix for the week of just 3 colours of the poster paints, trying all the different styles I have been doing this week to see if I can get anything pretty out of the poster paints for budget conscious people that want to do all the pours and learn, but they don't want to pay the cost of high price paints while you're learning. And I mean, some of them come out beautifully and they probably would last years, because my mother had paintings that I'd done in school with tempera paints in her loft, 30 years later, and they didn't look any different than the day I painted them. So there you go. It's, got no gloves on. Silly Jilly. Yeah, sorry about that. Just grabbing a cloth. So, don't worry too much about whether they'll last or not. So, I'm just doing a negative space flip cup with just the bit of gold, the bit of turquoise, and a bit of white. Now this white had the boom gel paint in it, the white, with a bit of the boom booster. So I'm just going to do the 3 colours and see, very simplistic, and see how it goes just over this. Remember, it's only paint, and if you want to explore, it's a really good way of exploring with cheaper paints. Just going to show you this little one I did last week. And I just found these little butterflies that I'm gonna give to an elderly friend of mine, because she loves butterflies and she loves these colours. So I put it on. I'm actually, because it's only a small one, I'm going to resin over that so it sets them in there. But it came out quite nice. I'll put the link if you want to have a look. That was one of my kiss and blows. So what I've done is I've just gone over it with the pouring resin and water mix. I've got a whole video on doing this, and you just wipe it on. So what it does is it actually gives the canvas, seals it for me. So it seals if there's any residue or any traces of silicone, so it'll seal it for me because I've wiped it on, and then I'll resin over that again, so, and then have that really shiny finish on it. So I just thought, those look so sweet in with this. So if I did a bigger one with some butterflies floating out for those, just a little bit of something different and a little bit of bling in there. So I'll be doing some bling work hopefully next week. Okay, let's get this flip cup going. So it's going to be a flip and lip. So again, I'm going to try putting the gold. So remember, this is the Montmartre poster paint. So 500 mils, less than $6. So when I mix this with the pouring, which my homemade pouring medium is 70% glue, 30% warm water, pre-mixed in these and given a good shake and leave them. I've got all my bottles made up. I make up about 10 at a time because I use so much. So this is the one I recommend in Australia. Got the link below to the online shop, which are open for business online, even though some of the countries in lockdown. Capriole Shabby Chic are open for business. If you're in America, I would use the Elmer's Glue All because they give about the same results. So, and the my recipe's in the drop down box anyway. So this is the lovely turquoise. So I'll put a bit of this. This is the Boom Gel Paint White with the Boom Booster. So it's going to be very simplistic, just these three colours. We'll see how this one works. And then I will move on next week onto, I mean, I've done all sorts of different techniques, but I've been using the poster paints all week to try all the different techniques. So here we go. So this will kind of be a, oops. Oh, look at these cells that come up with that. Just beautiful. I was going to pour some more paint on that. See how it goes. It's kind of like me flip and lip. Flip and lip. Might put a bit of heat on that, see how it goes. The colours are just stunning, really kind of beachy colours. I think I will tilt it before I put any more heat. This is very runny paint, as you can see. This probably would have done so much better if I'd have done a Dutch pour with it, because actually the consistency for a Dutch pour, very runny, and that's what it needs to be for a Dutch pour, because you're blowing it. But yeah, there's way too runny. It's not going to work with that. Good for a marble effect by the looks, but not really. It's not really floating my boat, but I won't give up. I'll just keep going with it. I wanted it to be minimalistic, and it definitely would look nice in a oceanfront home, because it's certainly got those colours going. Going for it. Gonna just give it a quick noodle through it. Oh, my cells have gone. Where have they gone? So that's a bit strange. I mean, I will put some heat on it. That may activate some cells again. I mean, the colours are lovely and it's very minimalistic. And as I said, I was doing a quick one for you, so I'll get a wiggle on. Wow, that's very beachy, isn't it? Very beachy. Actually quite pretty. Wow. There you go, just three colours, very simple, very easy to do. Something that you could definitely try if you're a beginner. Very minimalistic. Would have been nice probably to have even more negative space in it. But the colours are just lovely, very beach themed. So I'm going to leave you with that quick one. I will add a joke on the end of my video and some puppy cam, because so many people have enjoyed the puppies, so why not? So have a good weekend, everybody, or you're probably seeing this on the weekend. But yeah, very good beachy one, and it would look terrific on a large canvas. So beachy theme colours. So thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for subscribing. Until next time, bye for now.